one. I knew it. When you said white, I was like, this is what we got, guys. Pucky. But I got 4 though. I don't know why. Okay, moving on, you reveal yours first. Apollo! Yeah. Perfect. Turtles. There's some fish here. This is... What is that? I don't know what it is. But it's like...
milk.
No, it's like biscuits. This character shape. It's so cute.
And
it's
then I got us Vitagen.
Vitagen!
Yeah, I remember you saying you prefer Vitagen more than Yakult.
Yes. Oh, I did bring this as well.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
My mom loves this.
That was such a fail. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 2 packets. So we can bring both of them home.
Oh, yay.
Let's just open one first. So we're supposed to get like, I want this one, this toast-looking one. Which one do you want?
I want this one. The
Doggy one. Is this the same as this?
No, this guy has
Yeah. I actually took 2.
What is this? This is the girl and the...
Oh, the main character.
Yes.
Yes. I think his name is Ampan Man. Superhero or something in Japan.
Oh, really?
Cheers. Amazing.
Sorry, cheers. Feels like butter biscuit.
But it's cute. The shape.
Yeah.
Bird. First time seeing one so close. So close up.
What in the world? Dusty.
I wanna feel safe with you.
Just keep falling everywhere. It's almost like fall. Autumn in Malaysia.
Yeah. Feels like it.
Oh, it's so soft. I hope we're not poisoning the fish. I'll just throw it. What do you think will happen if we just threw one large chunk?
Should we try?
Okay.
This whole thing?
Yeah.
Maybe an empty cup.
Okay.
This whole thing.
Woo! Are they fighting for it? Ooh.
How do you know? Whoa!
Okay. Yeah.
You guys want to try going?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah! It's a frog. It's not a frog.
We have more apple. Should we give it? We have more
Yeah, we just